Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to add a video to a Google slide. So let's say you want to add video. So click on Insert and go down to Video. And you have a couple of options here. You can either insert a video directly from YouTube, or if you click on Drive, it will show you video files, or at least folders that contain video files. So let's say I click this one, creating the video, and just like when I inserted the audio file, I do have some options that pop up on the right hand side. Do you want to play it on click, play automatically, play manually? Do you want to mute the audio? In other words, do you just want the video to play without any audio? And then you have the standard formatting options on as well. Not all of them, but many of them are there. You can decide when exactly do you want the video to start at. Suppose you don't want it to start at 0 minutes and 0 seconds. Let's say you want to start it 10 seconds in. And then we'll start 10 seconds in. So you can format the video in a number of different ways. If you want, you can open it in Drive. So when you're actually viewing this in slideshow mode, all right, so it does present itself with a play button, so you can click on that to play, or whoever is viewing the slide deck can click on that to play. So you can add video files directly into your Google Slides.